I see it. It's a dang hicker-nut hull chip. I can't. Now I can't get the camera. It's caught between the grease cover of the brake rotor. Well, in between that dust cover you see right there and the brake rotor, there's a dust cover. It's a little chip. Lord have mercy. How on earth? Okay. Let's see if I can make it fall out. You can hear it. Hear that? You get going to speed, and you can't imagine how loud it is. I recorded it even. Let's see here. Oh, great. I drug it up into the hollow part of the rotor. Now, wait a minute. And thank goodness it's stuck. Can you see it? Right up in there? That's it. A little piece of hicker-nut. Now, if it'll just stay there long enough for me to rotate. And pick it up. Oh, shoot. Heard it fall. Oh, there's one piece. Just fell out. Listen to that. It just fell back in. Listen to that. Between the rotor and the dust cover. Okay, come on, buddy. I'm gonna get a compressor and blow in there.